Remember, always when you do air suspension repair and you lift the car, you need to switch on the mode what is under the setup button. There is jacking mode. You need to turn it on before you leave the car, and after you lock the car you need to turn it off. The height for the rear ride is staying on the 128 millimeters. It's not working correctly. If we change the height in the system, nothing changed, and we get the fault code, the same fault code. Yes, this one. Open or short to plus. We check the wires, what's happened with wires, and if we need to check the sensors, if sensors work correctly, we can check it by switch sensors from one side to another side. It's a one-off version, and you can take the sensor on hands and do the lifting and check the diagram in here how it's work. You need to go in here and then you can choose this one. By this option you can see what was the difference when you're changing the sensor, or you can use this one to check the results. And if you put a sensor from left to right side and it's also not working, this means of course the problem is in wires. Or if you put sensor from left and right to right, from left to right, and it start working, that means the problem is in sensor. For these connectors, if you want to remove it, what you need to do, you have this clip in here. When it's plugged on the sensor, if you want to remove it, you need to push this connector a little bit inside, push inside, and then press this one and then take off. First, when it's pushed like up, you hear the sound click, and if you want to remove it, you need to push up, and then you can push down this little plastic, and then you can take it off. Like push, press, and then take it off. And before remove this connector, also need to clean with the air out all sands and everything what is connects inside the connection before you open it. Now after the sensor replaced, we see the rear right sensor is approximately the same like the left side rear sensor. That means it's work. We check on when the car was on the lift, we check the full length of potentiometer. If the sensor is work, it's work fine. And now we go to the fault codes. Try to clear this one, because before sensor was totally dead and we can't clear code. Try now. Yes, I think everything is fine. Yes, perfect. And no more light in the dash. About leveling. Now try the system. Start the car. Start the car. And try to lift up. Try to lift up. Push lift, and then we can go to the system and watch what's happening with the height. Yep, the height is changing. The car is lifting up. That's good. Yeah, it's fully up. And then we put into dynamic and watch what's happening in dynamic. The sensor is going down, yeah.